Congratulations on completing this section where we explored some of the key elements of technology in healthcare. By now, you should have a stronger understanding in some aspects of the technology in healthcare. We began by discussing the concepts of validity and reliability in healthcare technology. Understanding these principles ensures that we are using accurate and consistent tools in our practice. Next, we explore the ethical use of the technology in healthcare. The growing reliance on data to improve healthcare outcomes comes with the responsibility to use it ethically. In terms of security and privacy, we emphasize the importance of protecting patient information in an age where data breaches and cyber threats are a growing concern. Lastly, we discussed the broader role of technology in healthcare and how it's transforming the way care is delivered. Whether through telemedicine, mobile health application, or other innovation, technology continues to provide new opportunities for improving patient outcomes. The integration of technology into healthcare offers immense potential, but it requires careful consideration of ethical, security, and practical aspects to ensure its benefits. I hope this section has provided you with the foundational knowledge to approach healthcare technology confidently.